In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a voice recording to Google Drive. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to get your audio files safely stored in the cloud. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access Google Drive. Open a web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you're already signed into your Google account, fantastic. If not, go ahead and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to store your voice recording. Once you're on the main page of your Google Drive, you'll notice the My Drive tab on the left-hand side. This is essentially the hub for all the files you've uploaded. Think of it as your online filing cabinet. To begin uploading your voice recording, look for a button at the top left that says New. It's a multifunctional button you'll use for various actions like creating new folders or documents. But today, we're focusing on uploading files. Click on New, and from the drop-down menu, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer to select the voice recording you want to upload. If you have your recording ready, navigate to the folder where it's stored, click on the file, and then choose Open. Your file may be in different formats, MP3, WAV, or another audio format. Google Drive happily accommodates most of these. As soon as you hit Open, your file will start uploading to Google Drive. You'll notice a small window at the bottom right corner of your screen showing the progress of the upload. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this could take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your file appear in the main area of your Google Drive, confirming that it has been successfully uploaded. Congratulations! You've now stored your voice recording safely in Google Drive. But what if you want to access it later or share it with someone? Simply click on the file and use the options that appear at the top of the screen. For sharing, click on the little human icon with the plus sign on the toolbar and follow the prompts. Remember, keeping your files organized will make them easy to find later. Consider creating specific folders for different types of content or projects. And that's about it. You've successfully learned how to upload a voice recording to Google Drive. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that comes with cloud storage.